before going to problem, if we need to understand the function of this peroxisome. We need to understand the function of peroxisome. What are the function? If you know the function of peroxisome, if peroxisome is not there, what will happen? So you will correlate that with your disease. You can see peroxisome. I have already described the peroxisome is involved in fatty acid oxidation. Fatty acid oxidation. So beta oxidation of very long chain fatty acid means the fatty acid above 22 carbon. I told you it is involved in degradation of myelin. Myelin has cerebronic acid. So it is very important for nervous tissue. This peroxisome is very important for nervous tissue. That is why peroxisome number is very high in nerve tissues. Remember, peroxisomes vary in number around the tissue based on its need. Okay, if need is high, peroxisome number will be high. If need is low, peroxisome number will be low. So nervous tissue has high requirement of peroxisome. Your liver also has high number of peroxisome. Kidney has high number of peroxisome. So understood? Brain, liver, and kidney has high number of peroxisome because they require peroxisome in very high quantity. So remember these three organs, brain, liver, and kidney require. And here they function in your nervous tissue, they function this. And other tissue, this also, don't forget liver and kidney also. But nervous tissue has very much more higher chain fatty acid. That is why I'm taking reference of nervous tissue. So very long chain fatty acid. Now phytanic acid is come from the dairy product or the meat that the people take from goat, from cow, or any such type of like cattle milk or cattle meat. They have got phytanic acid. Those all the herbivorous animal, the meat of herbivorous animal will have phytanic acid, and this phytanic acid will be metabolized in liver. And that is why liver also require very high amount of this. So two acid, phytanic acid, very long chain. Phytanic acid is branch chain fatty acid. It is derived from chlorophyll. And that is why I told you herbivorous animal. It is derived from chlorophyll. And then in addition, after this acid, fatty acid, second acid means amino acid. Amino acid catabolism. Remember two amino acid, lysine and hydroxyproline. Hydroxyproline present where? It is present in collagen. Don't forget that. So collagen metabolism of collagen and lysine metabolism. These two metabolic product are catabolized in peroxisome. This metabolic product, pipercolonic acid, is catabolized here in peroxisome. Hydroxyproline will also be catabolized here. Oxalate of hydroxyproline is catabolized here. So you can see acid, fatty acid, amino acid. These are catabolism. And synthesis also happens. What is synthesis? I've already explained you plasmalogen synthesis. Very important. Plasmalogen synthesis is ether phospholipid. Go and revise it. Ether phospholipid. This is also synthesized in this. And this is a very important. The deficiency of this will cause rhizomelia, chondrodysplasia punctata. So this deficiency of plasmalogen has associated with disorder. Now, bile salt. We will talk about bile acid synthesis. There we will talk about the role of peroxisome. So bile salt synthesis, and then third is very important, DHA. DHA is required for brain again. So peroxisome is again required in brain for synthesis of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, 22 carbon. Docosa means 2, hexaenoic. Docosa means 6. Sorry, docosa means 22 and hexaenoic means 6 carbon. Hexaenoic, sorry, not enoic, enoic. Carbonic acid, these 3 components are produced. 4 are catabolized, just remember 4 are catabolized and 3 is produced. So remember 4 means 2 fatty acid, 2 amino acid catabolism happens, and then 3 bile salt, plasmalogen, and then DHA, omega-3 fatty acid is produced. In these molecules are helped. Production of this molecule is helped by actually. It also happens in cytosol. It is helped by peroxisome. So if peroxisome is damaged, this molecule will not be synthesized. There will be fat digestion problem. You can see there will be membrane problem, plasmalogen, there will be problem in nervous tissue. So you can correlate with that. If very long chain fatty acid is also not metabolized, there will also be problem in nervous tissue. Okay, so these are the presentation function. If you understand the function, you can correlate that function with the disease.